Sketty Mosque Community Centre is not just a place of worship, but also where people come together and socialise. We developed certain clubs for various elements of the community, including the Over 50 Club. There's a Sketty Youth Club that we run for children, and we also provide sport for period poverty from this space.
So I think the mosque is a place of worship, but a mosque is designed to be part of the community as well. What's important to note as well is that you don't have to be Muslim to join the club as well. It's open to the whole community.
It's just nice to learn from other people, other nationalities, different people from different walks of life, and that they can learn from us. It's all about interacting with one another.
I think this place really represents every aspect of who I am. So it's Sketty, it's where I grew up, it's a Muslim place, but it's in the heart of Wales, and that for me is who I am, a Muslim Welsh person. And I think having this here really makes us feel rooted in this community.
So we're absolutely delighted and honoured that this nomination's come forward. I feel so proud of what we achieved here. It really is a great space.